guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Angel. I share everything lifestyle, so everything from beauty and fashion to do-it-yourself to food and my health journey. If any of those things interest you, be sure to subscribe. So today is, oh man, I love to eat. Let's just make that clear. I love to eat. But if you followed me, whether here, Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, and if you haven't, please do, you know that I'm a pretty healthy individual, and my husband and I started this healthy lifestyle journey, and we try to eat as healthy as we possibly can. We don't diet, we just make this a lifestyle change, so make it a habit. Well, I've also shared with you guys like what I eat in a day. If you have not checked that video out, please do so. I've shared with you guys the things that I eat. I've also going to have a video of the snacks that I snack on. But today is all about the favorite thing that I love most, and that is desserts. Okay? Oh my god, I am such a sweets person. I've always loved sweets, like, and most people do, some people don't, but I'm a dessert girl. Okay, every time I would eat a meal, I would always have to have a dessert. Always. I will always have to. That's been from a baby. Like, I love sweets, like, and that's a really big weakness for me. It probably is for you too, but I'm dessert free. So since starting this healthy lifestyle journey, the biggest change for me has definitely been the desserts. So I've kind of always eaten healthy, but we just had to go more healthy. But the desserts was the biggest change. So finding sweets and desserts that I could eat on was the challenge. So I have found a lot, and it had to taste good because I'm a huge taste bud. Like, I love food, so I'm a food junkie, so it has to taste good. And I'm a country girl, so yeah, like, it has to like taste good and be flavorful. So that has been the challenge, and now that I've found some desserts that I freaking love, I could not wait to share them with you guys. So, you know, if you want to try to start eating better, or you just want to try little things here and there to add into your lifestyle, I'm giving you the heads up of what actually tastes good and what's good for you. So you ain't got to go spend all your money on different items, experimenting. I'm telling you what tastes good and what I like. So, you know, you don't have to go waste your money. Alright, so who's ready to find out about these desserts? Okay, so let's start. The first dessert that I'm going to share with you are ice creams and popsicles, okay? So, yes, we love ice cream. But guys, there is a healthier ice cream out there for you that tastes really good. Okay, so the first one I'm going to share with you is this So Delicious. Can you see this? Let me focus it on the ice cream, okay? This is So Delicious Ice Cream. This is the flavor chocolate cookies and cream. This is made with cashew milk. So it's dairy free. Can you believe it? It's dairy free and it's gluten free. So this stuff is my weakness for desserts. And it comes in a small carton. This is the largest I found. Now some stores may carry the big ones, but this is the size, the largest size I found. So, you know, if you break this up, this can last you for a few days, you know, 3-4 different meal desserts. This stuff is so good. Oh, it's my weakness. But I don't have to feel really guilty because it's dairy free, it's gluten free, and it's, you know, more of what I can eat and more healthier. This is definitely really good, guys. If you haven't tried it, you should try it. The second ice cream I'm going to share with you is this one. It's another So Delicious. It's peachy maple pecan. Did I say that right this time? It's a tongue twister. Peachy Maple Pecan. This is also vegan. It's gluten-free as well. It's made with peaches and pecans are in it. So this is more similar to like butter pecan ice cream. It tastes very similar to that, except that it's dairy-free, it's vegan, and it's gluten-free. I love this one too. Like this is, oh man. When I have a sweet tooth, I will go for ice cream. I would definitely go with one of those. Another ice cream, and then this one my husband likes, so I'm sharing it with you guys. This is Enlightened. Can you see this? It's Enlightened. It's frozen, but it's Enlightened. Enlightened. If I can get it right. It's 100 calories per serving, and this flavor is brownies and cookie dough. It's more protein and less sugar in these. He loves these. I haven't tasted this one actually, because I do more dairy free, but as long as it's, you know, healthier for you, just try a little step at a time. One step at a time is all it takes, and you'll get there, because again, it's not a diet, it's a lifestyle change. So one step at a time, you can get there. But this one's low calorie. Like I said, it's more protein, it's less sugar, but he loves this one. He swears by this one. So you should try it. This entire pint is only 400 calories. So just imagine if you're breaking this down into 3-4 meals, you know, or 3-4 days, whatever the case may be, you know, it's way better for you than the really fattening ice cream. Alright, so here's another one for you. This one is a protein, low-fat ice cream. So, this container has 35 grams of protein in it, okay? 35 grams. This flavor is peanut butter chocolate chip. And it's low-fat. Oh my goodness, like, you can, this is also gluten-free, it's soy-free. It's a great source of fiber, and you can also add it to smoothies or do it for breakfast, or of course dessert, which is what this video is about, desserts. So this is another ice cream that is a good option for, you know, a more healthy journey. So, and he loves this one too. Like, this is his favorite as well. I tasted it's good, but he loves this one. So, definitely good to try out. Okay, so for popsicles, I like these. This one, they're from Solero, and this one's organic. This one is not, but they're both made from real fruit. They're dairy-free, they're gluten-free, no high fructose corn syrup, which is what we don't want. It's no added flavors. It's fat-free, and it's vegan and vegetarian. So it's made with real fruit, guys. That's what you want. So either one of these, I would suggest. They're both good. This was red raspberry, the organic one. And then this one is strawberry, fresh strawberry. But they're really good. So if you want that popsicle, don't go get the fattening one. Go get a healthy one. They're really good. I love these things. Like, I literally, guys, I went to Kroger, and Kroger had a sale. The buy 4 save 4 on top of, they were on sale. So these I got for like $2.50 each. Oh man, I went ham. I did. But it's worth it, because eating healthy is more expensive, but there are ways to save money with coupons and sales, and a lot of times I just stock up when there are sales, and you know, find ways to do it for less expensive. So you can definitely do it. Don't say it's not doable. It is doable, okay? Just like my sugar-free candy came from Dollar Tree. Yes, if you haven't saw the candy video, the junk food, you should check that out. I shared you guys with a lot of snacks that I eat on. Okay, and let's go to my favorite. My favorite dessert in the entire world is cheesecake. Oh man, I love cheesecake. Cheesecake has always been my favorite Friday. Okay, I can't say it now. Favorite dessert. It is my favorite. So trying to find a healthy cheesecake was a major challenge, okay? But I found one and I like it. And it's this one. Can you see it? It's Daiya, I guess that's how you pronounce it. It's dairy-free, gluten-free, and soy-free. This stuff has 0 cholesterol per slice. It's definitely a better choice than normal cheesecake, especially if you're trying to stay away from dairy. The key to this though is to let it thaw out, okay? When it thaws out, it's good. You can't eat it like frozen or semi-frozen, or you really do need to let it thaw out to get that similar taste to cheesecake. But I do recommend this. It's hard to find though. Like certain Kroger sell it, and you just have to go to your store, farmer's market, or wherever and see if they have it or shop around to find it. But there are dairy-free, soy-free, gluten-free cheesecakes out there. You just gotta search for it. Or you can make one yourself, which I'm not doing today. Today though, I'm gonna make brownies for us. So these are gluten-free brownies, guys. Yes, they have gluten-free brownies, okay? So all we're gonna do is add eggs and coconut oil instead of all the other stuff. And it's gonna be a healthier brownie than normal brownies. So, and this is made by Cup4Cup. We're gonna cook these. So let's make some brownies and see how they come out. You use your gluten-free mix. I use natural eggs, and then I use 100% pure coconut oil and a little bit of water. I'm clumsy, as you can see. Oven. Oh my god, this right here, whew, this is some good stuff. Oh my god, like it just came out the oven. Oh, this is good. All I need now is a little milk or ice cream, but I would have to do like skim milk or almond milk. Either one of those. It will be really good with this. Or some dairy-free ice cream. Oh my god, this is really good. You guys should really try this. It's gluten-free and it is good. I cooked it with 100% coconut, pure coconut oil. So, try it. So good. So yeah guys, that's all for my healthy dessert share. If I find some more gems out there, I'll come back and share them with you at another time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also be sure to subscribe and click the little notifications box so that you'll get a notification every time I upload a video so that you don't miss out on any. And that's all for today guys. So I hope you enjoy your afternoons or evening. Until next time.